guys, today I got Gale. Yeah, you read the title correct. I got Gale. And this guy is Leon, he's just flexing on me. He's Joshua, by the way, go subscribe to his channel. I'll leave a link in the video. Yeah, he got a new skin that's sick. So as you can see, I got Gale. Now I have 2 chromatics. What is he typing? Hi. Hi Joshua, his name is Dark Souls in the game. So today we're playing some Deer Showdown. And yeah, we're gonna have a lot of fun. Like, share and subscribe. He said it, I didn't, so you have to do it at this point because he told. So go like, share and subscribe. So today we are playing with Gale. I can't believe I got him out of a big box. I really wanted to capture it on video, but damn, never mind. And guys, thank you for 150 subscribers again. I'm so shocked, I can't even believe it. Okay. So, he should get Spike or Surge will be, yeah, Surge will be double chromatic. It's gonna be epic. Let's go. Oh, this is my first time ever playing with Gale. I can't believe I unlocked him. He's an epic, so everyone is gonna unlock him at this point. Double chromatic, let's go. Spin to win. Oh, one guy's spectating us. Ooh, there's a Bali and a bow there. Should we take them out? Oh my god, I forgot how sick he is. No. I will not let him go away. Go. Oh no! Never mind, I rushed a bow. What was I thinking? Yeah, and he rushed a Riku. What are we thinking? 0 trophies, not too bad. Okay, so he's gonna play with Leon. Interesting. Next game, I think he should play Spike. Spin to win. Still can't believe I got Gale. He's one of the most sick brawlers in the game. Why do I keep? No, he has star power. Bye. Peace out. Nope. Who's the Dynamite over there? Dynamite. I just want to charge my super at this point, nothing else. Dynamite, can you stop bullying me for the past 6 years? No, please don't kill me. How does that Dynamite deal so much damage? No, that Sprout. Yes, Sprout. Dynamite. He's camping. Nice. Okay. Where is that Sprout? I want my revenge. Is he in this bush? Nah. No, I'm gonna take my revenge on you. No, please don't kill me. At least the Sprout is dead. Take that power cube. Don't take the power cube. Don't take that power cube. Never mind. Kill that Bali. Kill it. Too late, bro. Too late. Well played. I will protect you. I will save you. Bye. Seriously, Leon? I'm gonna push him back. Why are you bullying me? First game. Awesome game. Okay. So now he should play with... Let's Spike. Let's try different brawlers with Gale. Are you choosing Spike, my guy? Can you choose Spike, please? Please. Yeah, thank you. Can't believe we got 2 legendaries. Just started the game. Can't be jealous. And guys, please comment down below. Should I buy Colette? I know I really need help. You guys keep commenting Nani instead of buy Colette or no. Please comment down below. Should I buy Colette or no? There's a Dynamite over there. I'm gonna mess with him for now. There's a Bali. I'm gonna mess with that Bali. Bali, don't steal my kill. Don't steal my kill. Thank you for not stealing my kill. Okay. I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you. I panicked. No. Okay. No, don't kill me. Thank you. I'm gonna kill you. No. Kill the Bali. The Jackie's gonna kill me. Why am I rushing a Jackie? What am I thinking in life? That Carl might kill that Jackie. Never mind, they're not the same team. I'll kill that. That Carl is so dead. He already knows he messed up. You can run, but you can hide. Wait, you can run, but you can't hide. Can you stop running away? Just accept your death. Oh god. No. That Carl is the most annoying thing I've ever seen on this planet. I hate this Carl so much. You're gonna have painful death, bro. Yeah. But play GG. Damn, Gale is OP. How good can a brawler be? People are saying Gale is gonna die, but as you can see, he's not dead clearly. I wish I caught him on camera getting Gale. Would have been sick. Okay, you wanna play with Frank? Okay. I see you. What would be so sick if he used a super and stunned them and I put them in the smoke? That would be epic. Okay. I'm gonna grab these two boxes over here. No, actually, you should grab them, but no man. Come on. Auto aim is best aim. Didn't copy that from OJ. Definitely didn't copy that from OJ. Bro, can you help me over here, Frank, please, Frank, please. I'm begging. No, kill me. Why is a Bali bullying me? I'm gonna kill you. I want blood. Bali, you're dead. Bali, you're dead. How? You're dead. Yeah, but play. We came second. Second is not bad. Tried to get that Bali, but I just got wrecked by a Bali. Surprisingly. I'm gonna put my logo back to Surge actually. Which brawler should he play with? Let's try Spike. Spike is OP. Still can't believe. Okay, I'm gonna keep my mouth shut because I keep saying I still can't believe I got Gale. Yeah, I can do it, Brock. Yeah, no Spike. I don't. Spike is power level 1. Strange, but nice. Okay, so I'm gonna go mid and hopefully he comes with me. Gale pin. Nice. Guys, please comment down below if I should buy Colette or not. I really need help. I'm not gonna mess with this Mr. Pia because he's one of the most annoying people in the game right now. I just said I'm not gonna mess with the Mr. P and I just rushed him. 100 IQ. That's right. Can you move, please? Thank you. Move? Why are you staying there? Use a super on the Nani. Never mind. He's really good with Spike. He's like a boss with Spike. Spoke too soon. Gale versus Gale. Sad life. I'll play Brock. He's pretty good with Brock too. What happened? Nothing. Okay. Hopefully we win. We need to win at least 3 games. Just disrespectful. We're playing with bots. We lost. Okay. Aim out to you too, buddy. Break that box over there and help me in the mid. Help me mid. This boss gonna. Oh no, this mortis is gonna be the end of me. Bye. You just stay there and hide for the rest of your life because they are gonna wreck you if you go mid. There's a mortis, there's a Brock, there's a Nani. It's literally all the brawlers over there. Okay, he's chipping him. I'm invincible genius. What are you thinking? Oh god, no! No, peace out. Peace out, Mortis. Where's that Brock gone? Oh, he's there. Oh god. He deals a lot of damage. His Brock is so annoying. I just ran into his rocket. Oh god. I just feel bad for this Brock at this point. We both are just bullying him. Let's surround him. Surround him. No, okay. Bye. Run away. Run away. You're dead, aren't you? Yep, you're dead. How long has the video been? 11 minutes. That's fine. Guys, we're gonna play one more battle and then we're gonna end the video. Choosing brawler. Who should we play with? Let him play with. How about Jackie? Okay, nice. What are you typing? We'll message him and pray. Pray, no, play. What? I don't even talk these days. Okay, hopefully we win the last battle of this. It'll be really embarrassing if we don't. I'm just gonna pray to God for us to win. And I finish praying. Okay. We have to win this. This time we won't go mid because each time we go mid, we come back dead. You got those boxes over there. I'm gonna give one shot at them. You can just break them. Nita over here. Why is he not moving? Okay, thank God. No, please don't snipe me. Don't snipe. How did I even die? What is this game? Just run away, run away. Run away, run away. Stay back, stay back. I'll come. We'll surround him and kill him. Go close to him. Get me close to him, get me close to him. Surprise. Bomb, bomb, bomb. Bam, bam, bam. No! How did he two-shot me? Seriously? How did he two-shot me? It's Nita, for God's sake. Thank God you didn't get that power cube. You can go get it now. Thank you for saving the power cube. Gale pipe for that. Anyone in this bush? Anyone in that bush? Nobody's here. Why are these people coming after our soul? What did we do to them? Why are you bullying us? Can you just stop it? 6 feet distancing. Stop bullying us. You just sniped me. How? Why? Kill, bang, bang. Hide, 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 hide. You're gonna use the super and kill you. At least we came second. It's not burst. Good, we came second. If you'd have come last, that would have been messed up. So guys, this is going to be the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. And peace out.